level 2. Some new commitment, something new. Chapters of chaos and insanity, but the struggle only begins. What the future brings, that I don't know, but we'll see today. After tomorrow, it's only a matter of time to say I'm yours and you're mine. You got to be prepared, or yes, I'm scared. So I've been just for you, so straight to me.